Morning.
In bright lights.
It's opening day. It's time to go find some muleys. What do you think, Kevin?
I'm excited. I can sleep. She's a big coffee drinker, huh? So it should be good.
Yeah.
I won't cuss her.
Morning.
Ready to get this deer hunt started, Fish?
It's gonna
Are
be
you
a good
ready?
day. I'm ready.
Yeah.
I've been ready since last night. I couldn't sleep.
Good news.
I know. I can see that.
They're only judged by God and the fruits that they've dropped. And left there to rot, all the weeds that they grew are never ending. They slave the whole human race, making dollars off our fate while your hands getting stained. And transaction time is all we got left. So count your cards and hold your breath, or the fool's state of mind. But hey, it's a paycheck, God only knows.
Well, it's here. Opening day of my first mule deer hunt. Gonna be glassing a big burn area. Hope to find a couple good bucks for Kevin and I. So I think Jay and I have this whole big game application process mixed up, because on our elk hunt 2 weeks ago, all we found was mule deer. And so far on this mule deer hunt, we've found 3 bulls. So I think we're gonna have to reassess this. We got 3 does. There are deer in this canyon. Now we gotta find the boys.
Come on, deer. I just want to see one. Where were the does?
Like that same ridge, actually a little closer up here in the thick shit. And they were working uphill.
I could see it coming. I thought it was rain. And I'm like, crap. I'm like, oh, hey, it's snow.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we're looking around too.
This one over here.
Oh, there's 2 more over here. Yeah. Kevin just found a stud 4x4. He's 500 yards. We're gonna get set up for a shot. Yeah, grab the long lens. Kevin, you got earplugs. You dropped him. Keep an eye on him, he's down. Dude. Dropped a stud.
Holy crap.
That's a big deer.
Dude, can you believe that?
That's a big deer.
How did that just happen? Dude.
Hang on just a second.
Holy crap.
Was the camera rolling on him? Nice.
Holy crap.
Get some video of him.
Can you believe that? I'm fucking, look at it. My knees are shaking so bad. Oh. Crap.
Let's go look at him, man.
I can't believe a hunter just came and got us. We've been seeing nothing but bulls and some does. Amazing country. Come up here, it's kind of loud, and I just stopped and I could see a deer standing right here at 380 yards. I put my tens up and I just saw a frame, 4-point. Told Hunter, I go, there's a shooter. Everyone got up here and we just dumped him 380 yards.
Yeah, he is a
Holy
good
crap.
deer.
Dude, I can't believe that just happened. I'm like baffled. I'm still. Oh. Dude.
That's what I was telling Chase. I was like, I bet you anything they're up close to the mountain because of the rain.
I was looking this morning and you know there's more green grass up here and stuff but it all looks so good. Yeah. It's just finding them and I walked out, dude, I could see that big body. I knew he was a buck. I put my tens up and about dropped him. I thought I about had a heart attack trying to find my pack. God, trying to find that stupid adapter for the scope. Holy crap, 380 yards.
Well, let's go get our stuff and go look at him, man. We got a bunch of pictures to take.
Here, I'll call my kids.
Got it done.
Wham bam. All right, ready?
Hey,
Good morning.
how are ya?
Good, how are you?
Good. How's it going?
Here, look.
Huh?
Watch. Is Dad right there?
Randy, come here. Dad's here.
Morning. Can you see it?
You can see the sunrise.
Can you see the burn and everything?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it down?
Can you see him laying there?
Yeah, right there. Is that it?
The white dot.
You're too jiggly.
Oh man,
There?
I about couldn't shoot him.
You what?
I said I about couldn't shoot him.
How exciting! Congratulations.
Thank you.
Well,
2 point.
A little bit better.
A little bigger.
A little better.
3 point.
4x4.
nice. Well, give us a picture or FaceTime us when you get over there.
All right, I will.
All right, love you.
Love you too.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
All right. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's go get him.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey, can you hear me? You're going for fun.
Hey, are you excited?
I'm freaking still shaking. Dude, are you kidding me?
How freaking heavy he is.
Dude. Dude, look at the body. Oh. Taking back to this side of me. Hey.
Thanks, babe. That was awesome. Are you excited?
Oh God.
Holy cow! That's a lot bigger when she picked it up. Holy cow, babe! Congratulations!
Thank you. All right, I'll send you some pictures, okay?
Okay.
Love you guys.
I
Bye.
love you.
All right, bye. All right, bye. Well, opening morning to Mexico. We got here late last night and camped so we could roll out of bed and glass this morning. Jordan, John, Chase, Hunter, we all rolled out this morning and glassing, and of course we're seeing nothing but bulls, but we decided to get a little higher. Walked up on top and could see a deer down below me and put my tins up, and the freak out began. I didn't take a rifle with me up to the hills, so we all got up there and decided this was going to be a good shooter for today, and 380 yards shooting the 28 nozzler, and here he is. First mule deer hunt in Mexico. Me and Chase talking, playing strategy and how to draw a tag and country, and then we met Jordan on our elk hunt. He knew some spots also, and here we are back where no one else is and trying to work harder than everybody else, and it paid off big time this time. So one more buck to go, and for an opening day buck, I think we can do another one just like this.
Because when you left, he was just sitting there watching me, and he turned away from me. He's like, so Kevin just killed a stud of a buck. The only buck we've seen all day. We saw 9 bulls and just saw a turkey. So we gotta find some more deer. We gotta find a good deer. I have to beat Kevin. His is pretty easy to beat. It's not that good. We hiked all the way up this mountain to another glassing point. Kevin already ruined that other whole basin, so we're gonna we just made it up to this new place. It's a lot of big country. We got a few hours left of daylight, so try to locate a buck.
It's cold. We're just sitting here glassing. Haven't seen a whole lot. Jordan and Hunter are down here, just saw some does, so they're on their feet. So we're gonna walk this ridge out and get on a better point. Looking in a big burn, big country. Just found a pretty good elk shed, so there's animals in here. Oh, I see it. Oh no, I didn't.
I didn't do this cold.
Falling over. Well, is it dark?
No, I'm trying to get there.
Yeah. I found one doe this evening. 5 sets of eyes, glassing a lot of country, and that's all we could turn up. So we're gonna start again tomorrow morning. You'll have some backstrap.
Little up, deer heart, fresh. All right, mule deer, episode 22, my day finally.
All of your bad luck is over.
I've complained to my wife for so long about wanting to kill a big mule deer, and it finally came together. All it took was getting in the truck with Chase, me not driving, actually borrowing another rifle, and going to New Mexico. And opening day, we had a good day. Didn't see a whole lot, but we had a good day.
I wish we would have caught on camera your face running down that hill after you saw that mule deer. This guy, we're kind of in a group and we're glassing, and he walks up the hill to check another little vantage point, and he comes running down the hill with, I don't know, I wish I had it on video.
So I didn't want to carry all my stuff to the top of the hill, but walk to the top of the hill with a pair of 10s, no rifle. Look down there, see a deer, throw my 10s up, and that's standing there. And then the foot race was on to find my pack, and
I had a rifle in my hand.
So, but then the camera adapter, needed to find the tines up adapter so we could get the kill shot on film.
Oh, and I got up there, and Hunter and I sat there and watched that deer.
Yeah.
And while Kevin was fumbling with his pack down the hill,
Hunter was
and
pleading.
I had a rifle in my hand, a tag in my pocket, and Hunter was, shoot him. But I waited, so.
But no, it was a good opening day. Best one I've ever had for a long time. And evening didn't go quite as planned, but we had some cold beers and some fresh backstrap that night, so it was good.
So Jordan, if you're watching again, we really appreciate you, brother.
Yep, thank you.
Jordan was on our elk hunt, and Jordan knew this unit really well that we were in for mule deer, and he helped us out. It's a good spot.
For sure.
Can't thank you enough, buddy.
Yep, thanks again, Jordan.
Tomorrow episode 23 is my first ever mule deer tag.
Yep.
So,
First ever mule deer tag for Chase Christopher.
well, I've had over-the-counter
Right.
Arizona stuff, but it's like first with the rifle in my hand. So, anyway, tune in tomorrow. Check it out.
Yep.
Thanks for watching Kevin's tiny little buck. Maybe he'll do better next year.
Yep.
So we'll
Stay
see.
tuned. See maybe another tiny buck.
Thanks, guys. See ya.